This is going to be the unboxing of the HDX tool set. And I need more subscribers, okay? So I asked for a little help. And he's going to help me. Okay. Okay. Now the interesting thing about this is that this is a tool set. However, you need a tool to open the tool set. They didn't think that went through. Okay, one screw off. Let me go on the other side. Okay, that's two off. All right. Okay, there you go. Don't quit on the job early. All right, so we have two extra help. Actually, there's more screws. Okay, hold on. Now, what if I didn't have a tool? If I didn't have a screwdriver? As you see, he's a good help. It's basically just moral support. And the other one there is backup moral support. All right, now there. All right, so this is 76 piece tool set. Feels nice. Grippy. This is where I guess you put this. Let's see if it's magnet. Let me test the piece here. If it's magnet. Okay. Stays pretty well. All right. So we have the different tools. Feels nice. As you see, the different things I can't tell you the name of all of them, but okay, so we have a leveler here, scissors, a blade. I guess they thought of everything you could possibly need. Measuring tape. Okay. All right, well, he's done. We still have our backup help over here. All right, so this is all the tools as you see. They got the smaller. I don't know if these are the ones they use for like real small, I guess. Yeah. But there you have it. This is the HDX tool set. Not bad for the price. Close it. It comes in this toolbox. Has a little clamps here on the side. Home Depot, it was about 20 bucks. Not bad at all. Nice gift. Especially since we needed one so badly. All right, well, that's it. And our second backup just left. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Take care.